morning students. In the second video I continue question number 12 for exercise number 5.1. This is the last question for this exercise. What is the last question? If the equation 3x square plus 3 minus p into xy plus qy square minus 2px equal to 8pq represent a circle. If the equation represent a circle means find the p and q. Also determine center and radius of the circle. Already we remember what is the equation circle. What is the condition for equation of the circle? The coefficient of xy term equal to 0. After coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Remember the two condition. What are the two condition? If the equation become a circle means what? If the given equation become a circle means coefficient of xy term equal to 0. Afterwards coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of x square. Having the two condition. If the given equation become a circle means we followed the two condition. Using these two condition we are going to find the value for p and q. Afterwards first find the value for unknown value p and q and also determine the center and the radius of the circle. Now listen, see the solution. Given equation of the circle. What is the given equation? 3x square plus 3 minus p into xy plus qy square minus 2px equal to 8pq. This is the given equation of circle. What is the first condition I told? If a circle, if the equation become a circle means the coefficient of xy term is 0. Therefore, what is the coefficient of xy term? What is the coefficient of xy term is nothing but what? 3 minus p. That is 3 minus p equal to 0. P equal to 3. Using the first condition, we find the value for p. What is the first condition? If the equation of circle means having the coefficient of xy term 0. Our second condition is what? Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Using the first condition, first we find the value of p equal to 3. What is the first condition? If in a circle, the xy term becomes 0. What is the xy term? Coefficient of xy is nothing but what? 3 minus p. 3 minus p equal to 0 means p equal to 3. Therefore, first condition, using first condition, we find the value of p. What is the second condition? Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. What is the coefficient of y square? Q. So easily using the condition easily find the value for p and q. Here coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x square is nothing but what? 3. Coefficient of y square is q. Therefore q equal to 3. That is q equal to 3. So using the two condition we find the value for p and q. Afterwards you substitute the value for p and q for the given equation of the circle. Already again see the what is the equation of the circle? 3x square, 3 minus xy. Instead of p, 3 minus p into xy. Instead of p, we substitute what? 3. Instead of p, we substitute 3. Instead of p, we substitute 3. Plus 3y square. 3y square minus, what is the next one? 3y square means what is the value of q? Q is also 3. P is also 3. Q is also 3. So instead of q, we substitute what? 3. 3y square minus 2px minus 2 into what is our p? P equal to what? 3. P equal to 3. So substitute 3 equal into x equal to 8pq. What is the 8? 8 into what is the p value? P value is 3. Q value is 3. That is nothing but the coefficient of using the two condition we substitute the value, find the value for p and q and also substitute what in the equation 1. So after getting the substitution of p equal to 3, q equal to 3, what happened? 3x square plus 3 minus 3 is nothing but what? 0 xy plus 3y square minus 2 3s are 6 into x equal to 8 3s are 24. 24 into 3 is nothing but what? 72. So what is the answer we get? 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 72 equal to 0. Now after the calculation 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 72 equal to 0. Divide by 3. If you divide by 3, what happened? X square plus y square 2 3s are 6 minus 2x. 24 into 3 is nothing but 22 minus 24 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Here, see here, What is the equation of circle? Already told you. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of y square equal to 1. Therefore, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. One of the conditions satisfied. Another one is there is no x y term. There is no xy term. Therefore, this is nothing but what? Equation of the circle. This equation is comparing with the general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What is our 2g? 2g equal to coefficient of x, 2gx. This is comparing the coefficient of x. 2g equal to what? Minus 2. 2g equal to minus 2. What is our g? G equal to minus 1. Again, there is a 2 comparing the y term. There is no y term here for the equation circle. Therefore, comparing the y term, y coefficient 2f equal to 0. That is f equal to 0. What is the constant? C equal to nothing but what? Minus 24. So, comparing the equation, we get what are the values? G, F and C. What is our center? Center is nothing but what? Minus G comma minus F. What is our G? G is minus 1, F is 0. Therefore, center is nothing but what? Minus 1 comma 0. Question also on minus G. Here the G is nothing but minus 1. Already having minus into minus become plus. Therefore, 1 comma 0. Center is 1 comma 0. In this question, find the radius, center and radius. Here I find out the center. How to find the radius? Radius is, what is the formula? Already tell you. Radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Using g and f value, you find what? Find the radius yourself. Children, you complete the sum. Already I find the circle center. You find the radius yourself. For the last 11th part, I teach the same model for Tuesday video. First video, I have taught how to find the center and the radius. Using the step, you find it yourself. Very simple only. What is the G value? G value is what? Minus 1. Yeah, what is our F value? F value is 0. C is what? Minus 24. Using this one, so you find the what? Radius. Find it yourself. Now I continue the next exercise. Next exercise is nothing but I am not teaching the 5.2 and 5.23. 5.2 and 5.5 because 5.2 and 5.5 is very important exercise. They are carrying a same concept for you. Therefore, I am going to start exercise number 1. Start the exercise number 5.4 because 5.2 and 5.5 having the same concept for you. Very important exercise for both 5 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. Any of the question must come. For 5.5 must come for a 5 mark question. So I will teach both 5.2 and 5.5 afterwards. Now I am going to start the exercise number 5.4. Now exercise number 5.4. Parametric form of conics. Conics is nothing but what? A different shape of the different shape, that is circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. All of you know about circle very well. Parametric form of the circle. What is the parametric form? Already studied. What is the parametric form or general form or standard form circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. X square plus y square equal to a square. Next parametric form of the parabola. For tension itself, you draw the parabolic parabola. That parabola is we are going to learn about upward, rightward, leftward, downward, everything. This is the parametric form. This is the parametric form of the parabola. What is the equation of the parabola in the parametric form? Y square equal to 4ax. This is nothing but what? Parabola. Parabola studied in the tension itself. We draw a parabola by using in the graph notebook. So here now for this exercise I learn about 5.25 learn about downward parabola, upward parabola, leftward curve, rightward curve, everything. First I am going to teach the 5.4. Just to learn about the parametric form of the parabola. General form y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4x. Again parametric form of the ellipse. Ellipse is nothing but, you remember this one, elliptical shape studied in the physics. Elliptical shape, that is nothing but what? Ellipse. What is the parametric form of the ellipse? Is nothing but what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the parametric form of the ellipse. Again parametric form of the hyperbola. What is that one? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the hyperbola. See here having ellipse having plus what? Hyperbola having minus sign only. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. See in page number 218. Page number 218. Go through the summary. This is very important for you. Very simply given for that one. If you go through that one, it is easily able to do the sum for 5.4. 5.4, 5.1 everything. See, just I recall again one more term. Equation of the circle in standard form is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Remember that one. What is the center? Center is h, k and the radius is r. This is the equation of the circle. For every after the chapter over, we given the summary is given, that is points to remember is given. If you learn, understand properly, if you are able to do the sum easily as well as it is very useful for your 1 mark. 1 mark also. So this is, see, first one is equation of circle in standard form is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. What is our center? Center is h, k, radius is r. Second one, equation of the circle in the general form. This is the standard form. What is it? This is the general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the equal circle in the general form. What is our center? Center is minus g, f. Radius is what? Root of g square plus f square minus c. For 12th sum also, 11th and 12th sum also, I will teach like I have taught the how to find the center and the radius using the formula. If you remember the formula, is easily able to substitute the value. Next step, the circle through the point of intersection of the line. The circle through the point of intersection line lx plus my plus n equal to 0, and the circle become what? X square plus y square 2gx 2fa plus c equal to 0 is, if the circle become what happen? X square plus y square 2gx plus 2fa plus c plus lambda into that line, The circle passes through the intersection of the line. The circle passes through the circle through the intersection of the line. Intersection of the line, the circle intersection means cut the line. Cut the line means, and the circle equation become what? This circle equation become x square y square plus 2gx 2fa plus c equal to 0. The circle equation become what? Passing through the line means what? X square plus y square 2gx plus 2fa plus c plus lambda into the given line, lambda into lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Lambda belongs to the real number. Again, fourth condition. What is the fourth condition? Equation of the circle x1 y1 and x2 y2 has the extremities of one of the diameters. This formula also applying in the exercise number 5.1. So x minus applying 5.1, go through that one. The equation of the circle with the extremities of the diameter. Extremities of the diameter is what? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Again, equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent at the point x1 y1 on the circle is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0 is equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent at the point on the circle is what? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus 1 plus c equal to 0. This also based on this formula also we do this equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at the point is, what is meant by tangent? If the any point of the circle passing through the line. What is meant by tangent? If the tangent cut the circle at the circumference of the circle at any one of the point. Equation of the tangent at x1, y1 on the circle is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Equation of the similarly equation of normal. Tangent is perpendicular. Equation of normal. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Equation of normal at x1 y1 on the circle is the same thing, just what? Interchange the variable yx1 minus xy1, just interchange the 1 and 2. See, listen here, xx1 plus y1 become yx1, x and y variable interchange it, yx1 minus xy1 plus g into, instead of x plus x1 here having what? Y minus y1 minus plus again minus f into, instead of y plus y1 become what? X minus x1 equal to 0. If you remember the formula for equation of tangent, using the equation of tangent easily find what? Remember the equation of the normal. Equation of tangent is what? Xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. What is our equation of the normal at the point x1 on the circle is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0 is, just interchange the coefficient of x and y. yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1, g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 equal to 0. See the alternate sign, minus plus minus. So remember all the 6 conditions based on the circle. Now for example, for in exercise number 5.4, this formula very useful for to do this. Go through the tabular column, clearly given the tabular column. Therefore, I won't write anything. Go through the tabular column properly. Just one time I will teach you. Based on this tabular column, now we are going to do the sum. So, what is the curve become? What are the curve here having? Circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Already, what is the equation of circle? X square plus y square equal to a square. If it is Cartesian form, if this is the equation circle, the circle in the Cartesian form. The equation of the tangent in this is the equation of circle. The tangent to the circle in Cartesian form, tangent to the circle in the parametric form. Parametric form is nothing but angle, that is theta, using theta value. So Cartesian form is what? Equation of tangent. The given circle, this is the tangent to the given circle. So what is the Cartesian form? Xx1 plus yy1 equal to a square. Xx1 plus yy1 equal to a square. Parametric form is what? X into cos theta plus y into sin theta equal to a. You understand what I am saying? This is the equation of circle. The circle equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square, means what is the condition for tangent in Cartesian form? The equal tangent in the Cartesian form is what? Xx1 plus yy1 equal to a square. Parametric form is what? X into cos theta plus y into sin theta equal to a. Similarly, equation of the normal. Always equal to normal, just interchange the xy variable. Yx1 minus xy1, x instead of x1 y1 interchange, xy1 minus yx1, xy1 minus yx1 equal to 0. Parametric form is see x sin theta minus y cos theta, x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. Just so you learn and write one time, then only easily understand for you. So this is the condition for equation of tangent, equation of normal to the circle. This is if it is the tangent to the circle. So what is the Cartesian form? X square plus y square equal to a square is a circle. If the circle become in this form, means what is the equation of tangent here? Equal to tangent in two forms. One is Cartesian form, another one is what? Parametric form. Cartesian form is nothing but what? Xx1 plus yy1 equal to a square. Parametric form is x into cos theta plus y into sin theta equal to a. Similarly, equation of normal, what is the Cartesian form? xy1 minus xy1 minus yx1. Only x1 y1 interchange. xy1 minus yx1 equal to 0. Parametric form is what? X into sin theta minus y into cos theta equal to 0. Next parabola. What is our parabola equation? Y square equal to 4x. Parabola is what? Y square equal to 4x. What is the Cartesian form of the equation of the tangent? Instead of y square, write y1 into 2a into x plus x1. Next, what is the parametric form? Yt equal to x plus at square. Yt equal to x plus at square. If you understand that one, why I am teaching again means this is very useful for to do the sum for exercise number 5.4. Again, the next word, equation of the normal. xy1 plus 2y equal to 2ay1 plus x1y1. xy1 plus 2y equal to 2ay1 plus x1y1. What is the next? What is the form? This is what a parametric form. y plus xt equal to at cube plus 2at. Y plus xt equal to at cube plus 2at. This is what form? Equation tangent in parametric. This is what? Equation normal in parametric. First one is always Cartesian form. Second one is what form? Parametric form. Similarly, this is the Cartesian form. This is the parametric form. So next we go to ellipse. What is the equation of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So what is the equation of the tangent in Cartesian form? X square, instead of x square, xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square equal to 1. Xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square equal to 1. Next, what is the what form? This is nothing but what? Parametric form. X into cos theta by a plus y into sin theta by b equal to 1. X into cos theta by a plus y into sin theta by b equal to 1. This is parametric form of equation of the tangent for the ellipse. Next, normal, equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is what? A square into x by x1, a square into x by x1 plus b square into y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. A square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. What is the parametric form? ax by cos theta minus b by y sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Next, hyperbola. Hyperbola, what is the condition for what is the equation of the hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of the hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. How to write in the equation of the tangent for this hyperbola? For this hyperbola, write the equation of tangent is in Cartesian form. Equation of tangent in Cartesian form is same thing. Instead of plus, using minus only. X into x1 by a square minus y into y1 by b square equal to 1. X into x1 by a square minus y into y1 by b square equal to 1. Next, x into, instead of cos theta is reciprocal, right? Secant theta by a minus y into, instead of sin theta substitute what? Tan theta by b equal to 1. X into secant theta by a minus y into tan theta by b equal to 1. This is the equation of the tangent for hyperbola. Next, equation of the normal in Cartesian form. A square x, this a square, because parabola a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 equal to a square plus b square. Only one small change here, minus here plus. A square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 equal to a square plus b square. Similarly, so what is the parametric form for the equation of the normal? Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta. Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta equal to what? A square plus b square. Students, you read all the summary what I have taught in this video. You read it. After, go through the tangent and the normal. For Wednesday video, I am going to teach the equation of the line. Here I am teaching table 1. For the Wednesday video, I am going to teach the table 2 and 3. Properly listen the video class as well as Zoom class. Write the test, everything properly. It is carefully calculated for your internal mark. So do it carefully. Thank you, student.